So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to install our blower assembly. First thing you want to do is go ahead and take the twisty tie off the cable itself. And you can see you've got a good 5-foot length of cable and a weather boot on that 2-pin automotive grade trailer connection. Now, in order to install the blower assembly, we're going to open up our 4-foot long Velcro opening. At the rear of the cover, we're going to set the blower assembly inside the cover, and you want to make sure that the output side of the blower is pointing towards, let's say, the front of the cover. So all the air is coming out inside the cover, firing up like so, and the other way to do it would be like so, and that's not what we want. This would blow down. Which it would still work, but it's been designed and the wire has been run in such a way that we want these pointing up. So we're going to make sure we've got all 4 of these elastic holes lined up here. Sometimes I've made the mistake of installing it like so, and then I had to reinstall it and move it over. So make sure you get them all lined up. And these are just elastic. There's not a whole lot of give in there, but there's enough to get it over each of the collars, grill collars, like so. We'll go ahead and do the other 3. So. And again, the reason for this being removable is so you can put your blower blanks in. Not only that, but if at some point in the future you wanted to replace either the cover because you got a new car, or replace the blower assembly for whatever reason, they're not connected to each other, so they're interchangeable, so that reduces the cost over replacing the entire unit. So you can see from the inside, the blower assembly is installed like so, and now we're going to feed the cord itself, put our weather boot back on. And the nice thing about the weather boot is not just to keep moisture off of it, but also to keep any scratches from occurring on your car from the cord, let's say rubbing up against it. So on the right-hand side, as we're looking at the cover, just a few feet up, on the right-hand side, again, we're at the back of the cover, you'll see a little grommet that looks just like this. Now, this grommet has a cross sliced into it. And we're going to take our cord here and we're going to feed it through there. Now the grommet's sewn into the cover. And we're going to feed it through. And so at that point we've finished installing the blower assembly.